Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. If you truly want to become successful in trading and you have been following this series so far, then today's video can be a complete game changer for you. In this video, I'm going to share strategy number 3, video number 4, a powerful trading strategy that work on every asset class, every time frame. That asset class can be a crypto, Forex, stock, Indian market, whatever market in the world. It will work on that. Can be used by both beginners and professional trader with confidence. But that's not all. In the same video, I will show you how to do free backtesting on TradingView, so you can test any strategy yourself without risking your real money. If you have not watched the previous video yet, where I explained what caused traders to fail and shared the strategy number 1 and 2, so make sure you check them out from the description below, because this series is designed to be followed step by step. So watch this video till the very end, because if you honestly follow this complete series, no one can stop you from becoming a successful trader. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So as I said, this strategy work on every time, every asset class, and anywhere. Okay, so first of all, I will give you a little bit example on it, a little bit theoretical view. Then I will show you in the chart, and also then I will show you how to free backtest on TradingView. Okay, so the first thing is you only need a one indicator, that is exponential moving average, EMA, and the setting is 5. That's it. Okay, so what is this scenario? These mostly used for 1 minute and 5 minute. You can see the result on the rest on it also, no problem, but 1 minute and 5 minute, as we are a day trader scalpers, so we use on 1 minute and 5 minute. Any asset class, if you like US 100, you like gold, you like Euro USD, you like Bitcoin, whatever asset class. Theoretical view is that you have see a trending market, okay, or you see a downward market in 1 minute or 5 minute. What you need exactly here, you need like market is going upside, okay, excuse me for my diagram, and the bodies of the candle is touching the 5 EMA, weak or body, whatever. You have to find just one candle that body and wick that does not touch the 5 EMA, okay, and the very next candle, if close below of that candle wick and body, then you enter on that candle specifically, put your stop loss the candle which does not touch the 5 EMA, and target minimum 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 easily you will get. I will show you in the chart that 1 to 7, 1 to 10 you can easily get on this setup. Okay, same for the bearish scenario. The market is going downside, touching the 5 EMA, or some candle does not touch it, no problem. But whenever any candle that does not touch the 5 EMA, very next candle if close above it, you will take entry buy from there. Put your stop loss beneath the candle which does not touch the 5 EMA, and target 1 to 2 minimum, 1 to 3 easily you will get it. Okay, so this is the theoretical point of view. Now I want to show you on the chart. I will show you every asset class, anytime, anywhere. Okay, like the strategy number 1, strategy number 2 is doesn't fit with you, then you can go with this strategy. Okay, like you see, this is the trending market. Okay, and here is, if you keep some narratives with you, it will be more easy for you, like narratives of an order block, a fair value gap. Like this narrative if you get, then it will be a very great for you. Like here, it's give you here for these strategies that you will get a frequent stop loss, okay, but stop loss will be narrow and the target will be big. Okay, you will see here, like these things you will get used with when you do the back test. Here is the candle which does not touch, the next candle close beneath it, okay, and this candle took the liquidity, okay, and it's tap on here order block or a supply, and from here if you sell, okay, and it is going like that. And if you're not enough confident, like after break of structure it's go upside, again give you here a same reaction what I show you, and it's going all the way to the downside like this. In Asian, okay, if you go to the London, you will see here also this is the candle here, here, okay, but in back testing you will see that if did not break, you will avoid this. Like here 1 2, this third candle did not touch, fifth candle close below it, entry, and 1 to 2 easily you will get. Same here, this candle close above it, this is the first candle, second candle, and third candle above it, entry here. Same here, candle did not touch, close above, entry, upside, okay, you will get. This candle close below, if you take enter, where you put stop loss here, but if you do back test, you will get more and more information on it. This is the most important part. And here also the thing is that this is the Christmas days, so the market give you some action. Yesterday I took this trade and exit on here because market was a very choppy, and if you see in 5 minutes also there is it's give you a reaction because this work on 5 minutes as well. As you can see, this is the 5 minute which close here. I took the trade and exit on it here 1 to 2, okay. And I will show you on another asset class, like if we go to the gold, 5 minute candle does not touch, close below it, okay, entry like this. When you backtest, you will get to know that you don't need to enter here, you can wait for the retest, and it will make more easy for you to get a higher risk reward, okay. If you go to 1 minute also, 3 minute, 1 minute, it will be a perfect setup. Like here above, downside come to the order block, give you a reaction, a perfect entry. You have to backtest on it, and you can get easily 1 to 4, 1 to 5, you see, okay. This is a game changer trading strategy for you. You can get a frequent stop loss here, but when you backtest, you will understand. Like if you are in the trending market, you can get here 1 to 2, but by this buying position, because we are trending, if you get the buy position, here is the fair value gap, you can get easily a big, okay. Scalpers, for scalpers, here you can see, okay, for scalpers, like here, easily, not a big thing for you, easily you can get. Go to any chart of the market, you will get these things easily there, okay, easily, okay. Anytime I told you, go to Asia or go to London, go to New York, whatever time frame. 5 minutes is more accurate, but for scalper 1 minute is good. Like here you get a big move, here get a big move, okay. You will get SL, but that is the part of game. Like here you get, we are in the making lower lows, so here you see how much bigs you can get. Bottom, big, wherever you get a big profit you will get. Stop losses will be small and TPs will be big, 5, 6, 7 hour easily you can get, okay. Go to the Bitcoin and you can get also there the same thing. I don't know what is the problem with Bitcoin. This you will see. See, did not touch, close below, entry, and what is that? Above, you are seeing got small SLs, no problem, but if you follow the narratives like a trend, order block with the high time frame, it will be more and more efficient for you. Okay, I hope you learned this strategy. Now I am going to share with you the second part of this video, how to backtest free in TradingView. I detail also mention on my Hindi channel, Urdu channel, a quick money. I also add my card there and show them properly. And anyhow, I will show you here, like this is the, you have first thing you need is a new Gmail account. On that you have to create new account. Okay, and if you see recently, because I also uploaded that video, I uploaded for Hindi video also, so I also add my card here. So what is the thing is that you will get a 30-day free trial with your card, which don't need you don't need any money on it, or PayPal, where you don't need any money. You can see the next payment is 27 January, but I will cancel these by 25 by cancel trial, and I will delete my card from payment method. Okay, and the good thing is you can backtest. This is the free. I don't have to pay anything, and you can see what is the time. 2025 will go to like 1 week chart. Okay, and I want to go to the 2021, and if I go to 5 minute, you will see this. I got the price action that much old. You can backtest freely on it. First thing, you need a Gmail account. Okay, then you need a card where on that card you don't have to be put any money, and then simply you have to sign up on this, and you will get options there. Okay, like options, I will show you. Options there. 1 minute. Yeah, this is there. Like if I go to here, okay, if I want to upgrade, I want to show what type of options you get, like this. Okay, when you sign up, this type of option will come to you. Now here start now come, because I already used this Gmail to get a free access for 1 month here, but you will see a try free for 30 days, and here try free for 7 days. So you only choose this one, this option, and for 30 days you will get a free trial. That's very simple. Just put your details wherever from you can use PayPal, you can use your any credit or MasterCard, and you can get a free trial for 30 days. And before that trial charge you have to cancel, like 27 January on my case. So I will cancel on 25 as I show you here, and before that you have to cancel. That's it. Like here subscriptions, like 29 days remain, so whenever 2 days remains, I will cancel this trial, and I will use another card to get again the same access for 1 month for free. Isn't it very simple? Isn't it very easy? You can do it. Now your job is, I give you the road path, and I give you the strategies, I give you the 3 strategies. Now your work is that you have to backtest on it. I give you 3 strategy, very simple, which fit with your time, with you. You can put in. The next video will be the checklist for funded account, checklist for your trading. So next video is also awesome for you. That is also most important, most crucial part of this game. So make sure you watch the next video also and the previous one also. I hope you learned something from this video. Until next time, be safe.